Hello everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing a Thredup box that I ordered from Thredup.com. It's women's mixed clothing and it's a rescue box. My receipt. First item. It's a coat. It's by ISIS. I've never sold that brand before. Looks like a nice coat. Second item by Maggie London, size 6. Never sold that brand before. Steinmart. Mindset by XCV1 or VI. Oh, these are actually kind of neat though. Look at all the cutaways. Maybe somebody would like these. I'm just kind of so-so about the brand. Lily Pulitzer, small. I've definitely heard of that name before. Free People. This is a long skirt, floral design. Looks nice. Glad to get some Free People. Here's a sweater. I think it just says Amazon. So far this box is not that great. Old Navy. Robert Rodriguez. I don't know that fashion designer, but this is a cute little black dress. There's the back of it. There's the front of it. I'll probably sell that. CC, California. It's just a tank top. Michael Kors. Awesome. Floral shirt. That's cute. This is unbranded as far as I can tell. Whatever. Old Navy. Gray pants. Size 10. They look like maybe they'd fit me. Gap. This is pretty. Lots of Gap and like Old Navy stuff lately in these boxes. Banana Republic. I get tons of Banana Republic in my Thredup boxes. This is pretty. I guess this is a dress that kind of wraps around and ties, and it looks kind of pleated at the bottom. I'll have to put this on a mannequin for this to look good. This is pretty. Emetla, Emetla, E-M-E-T-L-A. Emetla. This is pretty in pink. And then there is Dry Fit Nike, awesome. I like selling Nike. Nike sells well. Loft and Taylor. Yellow striped shirt. What is this? Jessica McLintock. It's Jessica and then it's McClintock. Size 2. It's a little red dress. This is tiny. But it's cute. Silence plus noise, size medium. This is pretty. I don't know the brand well. Sigrid Olsen or Sigrid Olsen. It's S-I-G-R-I-D and then Olsen. Size large. This is cute. Ooh, wow. Dale of Norway, quality from nature since 1879, extra large. This is really pretty. This is the back. I think I'll sell this. This is the front. Wow, and then look at the closures on this. Those are pretty. Yeah, I gotta get this one up soon because someone's gonna buy that for sure. Oh, weird. Oh, giraffes. How fantastic. This is a giraffe shirt by Rebecca Malone, size large. I mean, if somebody loves giraffes, they may buy this. This is pretty. This is a pretty skirt. Wow, this is really colorful. Who is this by? It's by California Calliope. C-A-L-L-I-O-P-E. Maybe that will sell. It looks like something I would buy. Forever 21. It's a US size small. It's a dress, off the shoulder dress. And it's pretty cute. It'll probably look better when I photograph it. And then, White House Black Market, size 2S pair of slacks. Who doesn't need a good pair of slacks? So that's all I got. I'm feeling pretty unsure about this box right now. They were only $3-ish per piece, but we'll see what happens. I'll keep track of the box, and then I'll let you guys know how much I made off of the box, because I keep track of each box individually. I will be posting this box this week on my Poshmark and my eBay. You should follow my Poshmark store if you want to see it in your feed, and definitely click that subscribe button, click that like button, and check out the links below the video if you want to buy anything. It's going to take a while for me to get this box up because I still have to get some of the other boxes up that I haven't completed yet, but I have been working hard. So hope you guys liked the video. Hopefully there are going to be some what sold videos in the future, and I will see you later.